How to go third person in Apex Legends Mobile. I'll explain how you do this before you enter the game and during the game in some scenarios, which I'll explain a little later. But first of all, if you want to join the game in third person mode, what you want to do is look towards the bottom left hand corner of the screen before you enter. It will say FPP to start off with, but you want to click TPP, and that's going to mean a third person mode there. So make sure, whether that's Battle Royale, Ranked Match or Multiplayer, before you click confirm and play the game, you want to be in TPP mode there. Make sure you click that at the bottom left hand corner. Once you're in game, as you can see, I'm in first person mode here. Look towards the bottom left hand corner and you can click the TPP thing there at the bottom left. This can only happen if you're in a third person game currently, or that could be in other scenarios if they release new game modes, etc. It'll be at the bottom left hand corner. If you do not see that there, and that'll happen if you're already joined a game in a first person mode, so FPP games, you won't be able to change to third person currently. That may change different modes, but if it's not down there, pretty much you won't be able to do it if it's not down there in the left hand side corner. So you have to join into a game with the third person mode, and that's how you'll be able to play it. If it's not there in the bottom left hand corner, it won't be available in that mode. So leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.